everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to take a quick look at Boeing because I did have it as a request today in the room. And I wanted to give you some levels of support that I have. The first one being 190.77 to 192.0. That is an official Fibonacci setup because it is a cluster and it has symmetrical support. However, this next area, 186.54 to 186.95, is only two extensions, so it's not an official Fibonacci setup, but if you have extensions as setups in your trading plan, then you can do that. It is at least a zone of risk. So we do know also that many moves tend to terminate at extensions. So you can use either one of those zones. The top one is an official Fibonacci setup. The second one is not. Then, of course, down underneath there, I've got some more setup zones for you. One thing I do want you to be aware of is that we have not triggered yet from this cluster, and that is why I have not set up resistance and targets yet. I could just give you a quick target in case that low from today is in place. But if we take out that 191.85 there, here down at the bottom where I've done the low, then this target of 258.29 is not going to be correct. Okay, I could also give you a little bit of resistance just in case that low is in place. And that would be a resistance on the way up, 205.15 to 206.43. But I want you to remember that resistance and these targets are only good if this low from today is in place. All right, everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful week. Wow, what a crazy day today, right? For me, they're all crazy days, but today was a little crazier on the market. So I hope you have a wonderful evening. And if you're not in the Fibonacci room, I hope you come to join us sometime. All right, everybody, have a great evening. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.